Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we can forward the email from Webmail email to Gmail, any other emails. Okay, that's we can say how we copy the email to another email. Okay, so now you need to log in the C panel. You need to log in the C panel. Then at the C panel you need to find the email section. At the email section you will find the forwarders here. Just click on the forwarders. Okay, then there's no emails is forwarded to, still there is no forwarder added. Okay, simply just click on the add forwarder, click here, then I want to forward this email to this email. Okay, doing this means if someone send the email to webmaster@aka.com, then I will get a copy of this email to this my Gmail also. Okay, let's see, let's do the forward. You will see notification here, all emails sent to webmaster@aka.com will now be copied to this Gmail. Okay, this is my personal Gmail, so let's try. Okay, I'll send this I'll send one email to here. Let's log in email. mm, let's compose to this. Let's say hi and hi. I just then let's send. Now I've sent the email to this webmaster@aka.com. Okay, now we have added as forwarded to this email here. So at my Gmail is login here, then we need to get that copy of email here also. Okay, it meets my email, so we will get that forwarded email here. See, in actual we send that email to webmaster@aka.com, right, from this email, but we are getting this email to this email here. Yeah, in this way you can copy uh, this email from one email to another email ID. Thank you guys.